Okay guys, so as Panda said, Panda is sat on the Jeep. That's where he wanted to be. As Panda said, we are going to be talking about the rain cover, which is what I have right now on the Jeep. So I guess let's start. Okay, so as you can see, I do have the rain cover on. The reason for this is at about 2 o'clock this morning, I heard a little drip drop of rain on the trailer and decided to come out and quickly cover it. Now, obviously it's an open top Jeep, it can handle rain, but if we are parked up, I just prefer to keep the inside dry. I do have all my tools back there from the other day that I normally take out but didn't this time, so yeah, I just wanted to keep everything as dry as possible in here. Now what I'm going to do now is ask Panda to move, take this off, and just show you how easy it is to put on, even just by yourself. So let me show you how it comes. This is how it comes right here. This little bag right here, pretty light. These are hanging out, they should be tucked in, but I quickly just rolled this up and put this in this bag. Took maybe about 3 minutes to do that. The tighter you roll it, the better it fits in the bag. So Walter has a little more power of rolling that up than I do, but I do a pretty stellar job also. Everything fits in there, no problem. And I'm gonna show you just how quick and easy it is to put this on the Jeep. So as you guys just saw, that legit took me under 2 minutes to put on. I didn't clip anything on just yet because I wanted to show you where I like to clip mine underneath the Jeep and at the rear of the Jeep. And that will keep it on, it keeps it tight. And I'm gonna show you sort of close up what is happening and how it all works. So I just put this on very quickly. There is a Velcro part right here to go around your mirror so nothing flaps up and gets in that tiny little spot there. So that definitely works, definitely perfect. And now talking about the straps. So you have 2 straps on either side and then you have 2 on each rear corner. And honestly, this does keep it in place. So let's see. This is what the clip looks like. Pretty simple, adjustable, kind of perfect. And I'm gonna show you right now where I clip mine into. So here is where I clip mine. First of all, I'm just gonna loosen this up a little bit because when you do tighten them, it's just better to loosen them and get them exactly where you want. Now I just clip mine to my slider right there. Pull on that, tightens everything up. let's move back to the rear one. Normally I clip mine under here on the side again on the sliders, but last night the wind was kind of weird, so I ended up clipping it into the actual frame right here. So just pull and clip that in. Again, pretty simple. I'll pull on these afterwards. So what I like to do is I like to kind of hook all of them up individually first, and then I'll go around the Jeep again and just tighten them all. You obviously don't want to tighten one side then the other. It's a little bit like bolting things into your Jeep or screwing things in. Example, the PRP seats. You don't want to screw in the front nice and tight and then go to the rear because it needs a little room to wiggle. So I like to tighten everything after. So let's head around to the back of the Jeep. So obviously we have 2 corners right here and 2 on each. Believe it or not, nothing gets in here. When it rains, it kind of all just kind of pulls in here. And because of my cage, it pulls on either side. What you end up doing is just pulling this really tight, like kind of yank at it a lot, and all the watch comes out. So it's pretty perfect. But I'll show you where I clip mine into in the rear. So let's start with this one. This one right here. I like to go around the fender and into right here, like that. Again, I like to make sure that it's kind of tucked under there so it definitely doesn't move. And then the second one, instead of being on this side, because there's already an anchor down on this side, I move it onto the other side of the toe point right here. And this one clips right under the frame. I'm just going to pull on this a little bit so it's there's a little tension there, but not too much. Whew, and my hood went up. So let's just do the other ones right now. But this whole process, super simple, super easy. You can do it yourself. It doesn't take long. So if you, like me last night, hear little drips of rain, you can legit run out and have this done in seconds, which is perfect. Okay, let's tuck it over there. Let's get these sides done. Put that one in there. And the final one. Right in the frame. Now, I'm gonna go around and pull on them all. Now there is one on the front right here. Let me just grab it. And that normally, if it's really bad wind, I'll normally hook that there just so that it doesn't lift up here. But to be honest with you, it's anchored so well, I really don't use this unless it's like pouring with rain and or super windy. So yeah, that is kind of it. An important thing, an important tip, if you have one of these and if you're thinking of getting one, when you pull it down, don't put it under here. Oh, see all that sand? Don't put the wiper on top of it. Just in case for some reason it lifts, it's going to rip these up. So definitely don't do that. Now, I wouldn't advise traveling on a highway with this, just because highways are a completely different thing. You have all the elements there, and especially the wind. You don't want to tear this up. This is primarily just to keep your Jeep nice and dry when it's sat like this in an open area, or even in a garage, because you know, garages get really dusty. If you're thinking about getting one of these, I would highly, highly recommend it. It's made of a very, very durable canvas with a vinyl inside. So when the rain penetrates that canvas, it's not going anywhere into your Jeep because of that vinyl. It's really a very smart design, and They make them for every type of Jeep you can imagine. And I know what you're thinking. My Jeep has a light bar. Well, guess what? They have them to cover them as well. So obviously I have the 4-door one without the light bar. They have them for YJs, TJs, JLs, JKs, 2-door, 4-door, with light bar, without light bar. Definitely go check them out. They even have one for the Scrambler. So again, I am not paid at all for any kind of thing that I do on here on YouTube, but I just want to share my experience with products that I fully believe in, and Rain Gear is definitely one of them. I will leave their link below. Definitely go check them out, and yeah, hopefully we'll be seeing more of these out. So guys, this was really a short and hopefully, fingers crossed, an informative, got pandas everywhere, an informative video. Let's go back into the trailer. It's getting a little cold, and I guess we're gonna close this episode out. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching this episode. We had a great time explaining everything together with the Rain Gear cover, showing you how it goes on and off and how simple it is. Yeah, we had a great time shooting this episode, and I just want to thank Panda, of course, for coming on here and being part of that today. Thank you so much, Panda.
You're very welcome. I love being on this channel.
Well, we love having you on this channel too, and in fact I'm pretty kind of thankful that you were able to spend some time with us, because I know you have a very busy schedule.
Yes, I do. But I thought it would be fun to be on Mischief Maker TV.
Well, I had fun.
No, I had fun.
No, I had fun.
I had fun.
Okay, we both had fun. I definitely want to have Panda on again. I'm pretty sure you guys do too. He's a pretty cool guy. And guys, if you are enjoying the channel, then...
Wait, I was gonna do that.
Oh, I'm sorry, Panda. All right, I guess Panda's gonna take us out of this episode.
Thank you.